Welcome back. Today we will go back to ancient Greece to a classical theorem, the Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem is explaining the relations between the sides of a right-angled triangle. It states, if you square the longest side, the hypotenuse, this squared longest side will equal to the sum of the squares of the other two short sides. Let's see, how does it work? Let's put these squares together. So, I will use the simplest Pythagorean triplet 3, 4, and 5. We have 3 squared sides here, 4 times 4 squared, and the 5 times 5 squared. Let's put these together. You can see that the 3 times 3 squares and the 4 times 4 squares add up exactly to the 5 times 5 squared side. So the Pythagorean theorem, which states that c squared equals to a squared plus b squared, is right. We can see it from this graphical representation. We can also make conclusions regarding the right angle in a triangle based on this theorem. It is called the converse of the Pythagorean theorem. If you see any triangle and you know its sides, we can place these values into our equation and find out, is it true or not? If it is not true, c squared won't be equal to a squared plus b squared, then our triangle is not a right-angled triangle. We can also figure it out, is it an acute angle triangle or an obtuse triangle? Acute angle triangles will have c squared less than a squared plus b squared, while obtuse angle triangles will have c squared greater than a squared plus b squared. Really easy, isn't it? Let's see 2 problems. We will use the Pythagorean theorem in our solution. So we have this triangle here. We know a and b sides, but we don't know the length of side c. We can use the c squared equals to a squared plus b squared to figure it out. We only have to place these values and put them into our equation. We solve the equation and you get the solution here. Let's see another example where you know C and A, but the length of the B side is missing. Well, you will solve it similarly. You take your values, put them into your equation, and you solve your equation. Always check how you arrange your values in the equation when you're solving it. And here's the answer. It was really easy, isn't it? Thank you for watching my video through, and hope to see you next time. Bye!